Good evening students, welcome to class 7th maths. Now we will begin practice set 22, question number 3rd. Multiply the following rational numbers. First one, 3 upon 11 multiplied by 2 upon 5. Multiply the following rational numbers you have already studied in class 6. Now again you are going to study. Numerator 1 you have to multiply and denominator also you have to multiply. 3 2s are how much? 6. 11 5s are 55. Answer is getting 6 upon 55. Now 6 upon 55, these two numbers which is there in numerator and denominator, it is not divisible by same number. 6 is divisible by 2. 55 is divisible by 11 and 5. So this is the answer. Look at second one. 12 upon 5 multiplied by 4 upon 15. Now here you can do the cancellation method also. 12 and 15, both it is going 3 table. 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. Other table it is going what you have to check that. You have to check everywhere in numerator and denominator which is going the same number table, and then you can do the cancellation method. 3 4s are 12, here it is going, and 3 5s are. Both this number is going 3 table. Here after dividing 12 by 3, quotient is getting 4. After dividing 15 by 3, quotient is getting 5. So that's why I cancelled, I wrote here answer. 4 4s are 16. 5 5s are 25. If you don't know this method, I am going to teach you second method also. This is first method, okay? Look at second method, how I am doing. Second method you have to multiply both in numerator and also in denominator. 12 4s are 48. 5 15s are 15 5s are 75. 48 upon 75, which number is going same table, you can do cancellation or you can do the multiplication form and then you will get final answer. Here 48 and 75. 48 is going number 16 table, okay, and 75 is going number 25 table. So both it should be divisible by 3 table. 16 3s are 48. 25 3s are 75. Both number 48 and 75 is going 3 table. Your answer which you got here, you can use this mind. You can use the common sense and you have to do. 3 3 get cancelled. So your answer is 16 upon 25. Out of these two method, you can use any one method which you feel easy. Look at third one. Minus 8 upon 9 multiply 3 upon 4. Minus 8 and here 4 table is going here, this one. 4 1s are, this is 4 2s are. Minus sign you have to write as it is here, okay. 4 1s are 4 into minus 2s are is minus 8. Here this one is going 3 table. 3 1s are 3 3s are minus 2 into 1. Minus into plus is minus. 2 ones are 2 upon 3 ones are 3. Minus 2 upon 3 is the answer. If you don't know this method, I told you to use second method. You can use that also. I am showing you. Minus 8 into 3. 8 3s are 24. Minus into plus, minus. Okay. 9 4s are 36. Now both it is going 12 table. Okay. Both numerator and denominator is divisible by 12. Into minus 2, because plus into minus is minus. One you have to take plus and one you have to take minus. 12 3s are 36. 12 get cancelled. Okay, so your answer is getting minus 2 upon 3. In this two method I am getting same answer. Any one method you can use it during exam time. Now look at fourth one. 0 3s are 0. Any number multiplying by 0 is answer 0. Upon 6 4s are 24. The answer is getting 0 upon 24. In the numerator, if your answer getting 0, so your answer is 0, because 0 doesn't have any value. Only in numerator. If your answer is coming 0 when you multiply, then your answer is 0. 0 upon 24 means 0. Remember this point. So next question we are going to study, write the multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse means, in other words, you say reciprocal, which you studied in class 6. 2 upon 5 become 5 upon 2. Okay. I will give you an example. Look at this example, 6 upon 8. 6 upon 8, the reciprocal of 6 upon 8 is 8 upon 6. Numerator number goes to denominator and denominator number goes to numerator. That is called multiplicative inverse or reciprocal. 6 upon 8. The reciprocal of 6 upon 8 is 8 upon 6. Got it? Now you have to write multiplicative inverse of this number. 2 upon 5. The multiplicative inverse of 2 upon 5 is 5 upon 2. Remember this point, multiplicative inverse means reciprocal. Look at second one, minus 3 upon 8. Negative number which is there on numerator, your negative sign will remain as it is. On numerator place only you have to put negative sign. Negative sign will not go to denominator. It will remain in numerator. Only the numbers will be, you have to write multiplicative inverse. Got it? The multiplicative inverse of minus 3 upon the multiplicative inverse of minus 3 upon 8 is minus 8 upon 3. This is the answer. Look at third one. Third one also is same. The multiplicative inverse of minus 17 upon 39 is, numerator minus sign will remain as it is, minus 39 upon 17. Look at fourth one. Only single number is there, 7. You don't have any denominator over here. If you don't have denominator, consider the denominator 1. And now you have to write multiplicative inverse. The multiplicative inverse of 7 upon 1 is 1 upon 7. Look at fifth one. This is the mixed number. Minus 7 is given in, 7 in number is given in negative, okay? Minus 7, 1 upon 3. This mixed number you have to convert into improper fraction. Okay? First you write 3 as it is. How to convert improper fraction I am teaching. Denominator 3 write as it is. This 3 in 7 multiplied by 3. Numerator what is there? Take it as plus. Minus sign you put as it is here. Okay? When you want to convert mixed number into improper fraction, write this denominator 3. Here you have to take multiplication form. Minus 7 multiplied by 3. Numerator which number is there here, it will, you have to take plus 1. First you have to multiply this. 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 1 is 22. Minus into plus is minus. Minus 22 upon 3. Now you have to write the reciprocal. Okay? Reciprocal of this number. The reciprocal of minus 22 upon 3 is minus 3 upon 22. If you like my maths teaching method, please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.